Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you step-by-step tutorial how to create account on Binance market. So let's go. First you need to go to webpage binance.com, and this is original webpage of this cryptocurrency market. So you need to be sure you are on this website. Now we go to option to create account on this platform, and you have two options to register account on this platform. First option is on homepage, big yellow button register now, or you can use in the top menu button register. I choose option register from the top menu. Click button on the register. Now you need to select where you live and choose from this list. My country is Poland, so I select Poland and push button confirm. Next you need to choose what type of account you want to create. You can choose create personal account, or you can choose business, create an entity account. I will be created for personal use, so push button create personal account. On this step you type email address and password. Next you have field to referral ID. If you use a referral link from description of my video or some other person, this field will be automatically filled. If you went to this web page directly from your browser and you type binance.com and starting register process, you can type your referral ID. If you want to use my referral ID, I put ID in description of this video, or this ID should be appeared now on this video, so you can type it here now. And when you're creating account, you get kickback, so your commissions kickback rate 10%. So you get nice bonus on the beginning on your adventure with the Binance marketplace. If you type email address, password, referral ID, you can additionally check this checkbox. If you want to get emails with updates from Binance, not select this. And next checkbox, I agree to share data for marketing purpose. If you agree with this, you can check. If not, unselect this and push button next. In this step we have email verification on our address email, what we put in a form on the step number 1. On this email we get verification email, and we need to type this code to this form. Very important to get this email, you need push button get code. If you not push this button, this email won't be sent, so you don't find this code in your email inbox. So push button get code. So like you see, your code was sent. You have half hours to put this code to this form, but if you don't get this email with verification, you have 1 minute to make resend. So after this 1 minute, this button will be available. You can again push and resend your email with code. But before you do this, go to your email inbox and check if you got email from Binance. If yes, put to this form this code and just paste here your code and push button submit. Next step is enter phone number, and this is step where you type your phone number, and on your phone number you get next verification code. So here you type your prefix for your country, and here you type your phone number. When you do this, push button next. Like you see, next step is phone verification. To get your code on your phone number, just push button get code. And like you see, the same procedure is here, so you can repeat this text message with code after 1 minute. Code on your text message is valid by half of hours. When you paste your code from text message, this system automatically should make verification if this code is valid. If no, push button next. In my case was automatically, and I was redirected to this web page what you see now. This is thank you page with information account created. Please proceed to complete identity verification. So I have step created account, enter your account details. So this is done. Next step is make verification your identity. So verify your identity to protect your account. And next step is unlock price, get your price and start trading. So to make verification, push button verify now. In this step we typing our nationality, first name, last name, birth of date. When you do this, push button continue. Next step is identity verification, and to this purpose you need a camera on your devices. If you doesn't have camera on your devices, push on this QR code. Like you see, my device doesn't have a camera, so here will be another way to make verification, but my device has camera, so I use this standard way. So I pushing button continue. Before you start, we have information from the system. Before you start, please prepare your identity document and make sure it's valid. We also require you to agree to all processing of your personal data, so you need to check this checkbox. But before you check this checkbox, good to read this consent of personal data processing. If you are ready, push button next. In this step, select the country that issued your document. In my case it's Poland, because I'm from Poland and my document is from Poland. Now choose your documents type: ID card, passport, resident permit. I will make this by ID card, so select this. Here we have more information about taking pictures, so take a photo of your ID cards. The photo should be bright and clean, good quality, uncut. All corners of documents should be visible. So like you see, we have example how this should. If you are ready, push button next. Allow browser to use camera. When you make photos of your documents from front side and back side, now it's step to make selfie. So like you see, selfie, face the camera, ensure your face is with the frame, then slowly turn your head around in the circle. When you're ready, push button I'm ready. After this scanning, you need to make the scanning again. So push button I'm ready. Like you saw, there was processing of the making accept of your documents. When this was accepted, we go to next step. Like you see, is proof of address. So you type your country, residential address, postcode and city. Fill this form and push button continue. Next step is proof of address. So proof of residential address. Select and upload one of the following documents, all supported documents. The following criteria have to be met. Name of the document must be the same as submitted ID. Address of documents must be the same as imputed residential address. Documents must not be older than 3 months. Name, address, issue date and issuer must be clearly visible. Upload PDF, JPEG, PNG file no more than 10 megabytes. So push button here to upload file and push button continue. On this step you need to told Binance what will be use your Binance account. So you have a couple of options: investing, trading on Binance, trading on other exchange, online purchase, third-party payments, business, long-term holding. So choose options and push button continue. In the next step, choose what is your source of income. So it's occupation, investments, savings, inheritance, cryptocurrency mining. So choose your option and push button continue. Now choose your employment status. So you can choose you are employed, unemployed, you are student, retired or self-employed. Now you need to choose how much do you expect to trade. So you have less than 1,000 euro, between 1,000 to almost 10,000 euro, between 10,000 to almost 100 and above 100. Choose your option and that's all. All steps are done, your account is verified, so you can start trading now. Push button OK, and like you see, we have all steps in the green. So we have unlocked price, so your mystery box has been sent to your email. Happy trading. And if you are interested what is in a mystery box, we can push on this button. So Binance KYC mystery box, product description. Each mystery box contains one exclusive and random piece of the art. The box cannot be purchased, listed or traded on the open market. The only way to obtain a box is by completing the KYC process for your Binance account. And now I'm pushing button back to home, and like you see, we back to main web page on Binance. Now we can log in to this marketplace. So push button login and type your email and password to log in. Now you need to grab this puzzle and put here on the empty space. This is type of verification. You are human. Now you have security verification when you log in. So to secure your account, please complete the following verification. So the same process when you are creating account, push button get code. Now you should get email on your phone number and get this code from your text message and paste here and push button submit. And like you see, account is created and we successfully logged to this account. We can go to our settings. For example, we can choose dashboard. So like you see, everything's work well and you can start using your Binance account. On the next video, I will show you how to secure Binance account, how to add Google Authenticator to Binance account to your account for more safety. So if you're interested in this topic, stay tuned. This video should appear soon after this video. If you watch this video a little bit later, I put link to this security video of Binance in description of this video, so you can simply go to this video. So if you want to get notification about new videos, please smash button subscribe to get information about new videos when I publishing. If you have any question about Binance account, please put this question on the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and have notifications, and we will see you in the next one.